It's looking.
Back, you should see the back of it.
Is it all right?
Back, like right here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's turned up back there.
It's real juicy.
It's real juicy.
What it do, baby? It's me. I'm back again. First, I want to say, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Brandon, Fantastic's Chair. I do videos about hair. I do videos on my clients. I do videos on myself, natural hair with myself, and then various things with my clients, haircuts, color, silk presses, all that kind of stuff, all that good stuff. So if you want to learn, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like, and I appreciate your view. Okay, so first to get into this is kind of like, I got influenced, y'all. So this isn't the exact product that I got influenced for though. This is the Lustrous Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil for natural hair textures, curl popping defining gel with shea butter, coconut oil, plus black castor oil for wash and go styling. It says this is a moisturizing formula, flake resistant, and imparts shine. So just to get into, it says this superior formula, curl popping defining cream, provides a unique flexible hold for incredibly well-defined, shiny wash and go styles. It glides on easily, clings to the curls without buildup, excessive crunchiness, or flakes. It's kind of, gives me kind of a, I don't know, it's kind of different. It does feel moisturizing in and of itself. Like, it doesn't feel like it'll have like a hard hold. It does feel like there's probably the coconut oil or whatever oils that they say that this has. Upon first initial touch, it has a really good smell. Almost smells kind of like cologne. I do not have a leave-in conditioner, but I'm using this one by Pravana Intense Therapy Leave-In. It's a good leave-in conditioner. And I already washed my hair. I washed my hair using the Joyco Moisture Collection. So I did the moisture conditioner, moisture shampoo, and moisture deep conditioner. No, gave me good slip and made it easy for me to detangle and things, which is great. Appreciate easy detangling. I got a break in between my clients, so I'm trying to hurry up and do my hair real quick. All right, so got this section here, a nasty, dirty dimming brush. Get out of here, nasty hair. All right, so this section is detangled. Make sure it's detangled all the way root to end. Start adding some of this gel. I'm using about this much, about that much gel. So I'm gonna start. Feel like that's kind of too much. I'm not gonna put all that. I took a little bit off. Felt a little bit like it was a little bit too much. So I'm gonna start with kind of shingling a bit. Kind of get that product worked in. It said go over the hair like 3 or 4 times to get the curls defined. So I'm gonna get up so you guys can get a closer look of what I have going on. So let's see that here. Okay. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more because I want my curls to be real defined. I don't want to do too much because I don't want it to flake, but I do want to have my curls defined. And I know it says it's like a soft hold, but I do kind of like my hair to be kind of crunchy, just a little bit. I like a gel cast. Okay, look, clumping. Okay, still kind of got a little bit of frizz. I think I'm gonna comb it. Use the dimming on it because I kind of don't like that frizz at the root. Okay, does have my curls defined though. I'm gonna add a little bit more to my root. My root is kind of fluffy. I don't want it to be so fluffy. Smooth that in. Use my fingers. I don't know why I'm shingling like I'm finna shingle my whole head. Let me stop. Because I'm not about to shingle my whole head. Okay, so we see how it's going. I'm gonna keep going and come back. Why did I not see tangle? use the gel as it's intended. It says to detangle first, so we're not trying to detangle with this gel. Alright, so I'm on this last little piece in the front. My client is about to be here, so I'm rushing. Hopefully, I'm doing an adequate job of smoothing the product on. I've been detangling or using the dimming brush on my ends and then working it up. Then finger, combing. Ooh. Client's here. My client is here.
Oh,
what about?
Oh, that's
anyways, right. Let me, like I said, I'm just coming through the ends. It's pretty cool. I like the definition. Yeah. I was trying to try something. It was, I seen somebody talking about something on YouTube, and I went to the beauty supply to get it, and it wasn't the same product, but I was like, I'll just try something new. So that's the definition though.
That looks good.
It's looking.
You should see the back of it.
Is it all right?
Back, like right here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's turned up back there.
It's real juicy.
It's real juicy back
okay,
there.
hold on, let me add just a little bit more all over.
Yeah, you may have to.
Yeah.
This. Yeah, it's lit back there.
All right. I'll come back later. It's definitely shiny. I can't really tell. I've been letting it air dry for a little bit. With it still wet, I can feel like the shine. I didn't rotate the ends because I just didn't feel like doing that. This little long curl right here. Yeah, so far I'm feeling the results. So I gotta let it dry. I'm thinking about sitting under the dryer. Then I'm probably going to use my Dyson dryer to dry it the rest of the way, and then probably stretch it out too. And then I'll come back once I get those results done just to show you what the finished product is looking like. But so far, still wet. I'm liking it. I'm feeling it. I gotta cut this. Look at this. Look at that. But it's still fine though. It's still fine. So, alright, I'll be back. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're liking the content, liking what I'm bringing to you, liking me using these new products. Come on, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. All right, y'all, I'm back. I was under the dryer for like 15 minutes or so. I had already been drying a little bit with my Dyson. So right now at the top, there's like a little bit of moisture like deep within my roots, but the outside of my hair is dry. There's really no crunch. And I was kind of being heavy-handed with the product, just to show you how much I used. So a good amount. Maybe like a little less than a quarter. Smells kind of like a cleaning supply a little bit. It smells kind of weird, like, I don't know. It doesn't smell how I would expect it to smell with it being shea butter and coconut oil. Definitely not what I would expect. Got this from my local beauty supply. It was $5.99. Good stylist discount, 10% off, so it's a little bit less than $5. Yeah, so far so good. I'm liking the results. The hold is pretty nice. It's not crunchy like it would be if I had like Wetline Extreme, or if I was using Care's protein styling gel. Those ones give like a really crunchy hold, but it's very defined. Very defined. Yeah, I'm feeling it. It's got a nice shine too. Y'all see that shine? Y'all see that shine? The body bounce and shine. Yeah, but overall, I like the product. I will try it again, maybe with a different leave-in or something. I'm open to trying new products all the time. yeah, so far so good. I'm liking it. My camera about to die, but I'm here because I wanted to give y'all an update on how it looks. I did my hair on Saturday. Today is Monday, so this is what it's looking like. I've been tying it up with like a band, kind of like in a pineapple situation. Wear it at night. Sometimes I would do like the banding method and little ones, but I haven't been doing that on this time. I am getting a little bit of flaking. I think it might be me using a lot of product.
Product ingredients are aqua, deionized water, carbomer, triphenolalamin, coconut oil, shea butter, castor oil, sucrose, collagen amino acids, PPG, lanolin, tetra, sodium, EDTA, sodium, something, and perfume. Certified organic ingredients, so that's just with coconut oil and the shea butter. So
the ingredients aren't bad. I did notice it took a little bit of time for my like inner roots to dry, but that's kind of normal with wash and goes. Like that happened with everybody, so I'm not too concerned about that. But it still looks pretty good. If you've ever tried this product, let me know what you think about it. Let me know down in the bottom, down in the comments. Hit me up with some comments to let me know what you think about the product, what you think about this wash and go. If there's any techniques that I maybe should be adding to my repertoire and doing wash and goes, just let me know. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate the support. Appreciate you helping me out, getting this channel out there, just growing some more. And I want to keep trying to be consistent with the videos, coming to you guys with new stuff. Just thank you for watching, and bye.